Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to delete recent files in Windows 10. Right-click Start button, Run. App data percentage. Click OK. Click Microsoft. Click Windows. Click Recent Items. Select all and delete all files. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.